To show Gallery Labs menu, to use some hidden features on Gallery app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Gallery app, tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right, and then tap Setting. Scroll down the screen to the bottom, tap About Gallery. Now, tap on the gallery version consecutively until you see a notification that the Gallery Labs has been enabled. Tap the back key to go back to the gallery setting menu. Scroll down the screen. As you can see, there's a new menu available named Gallery Labs. Tap Gallery Labs. Here you can enable or disable hidden features based on your need. As the example, you can show or hide Go to Studio shortcut, or you can enable or disable Save as PDF option after selecting an image. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.